Let's talk about control processes, the brain behind automation systems that regulate and manages input elements to ensure the appropriate dynamic response. The earliest forms of control processes date back to the 3rd century. In Alexandria, where water levels in water clocks were regulated using float valves. In the early 20th century, most control processes were on-off, where operators would manually open and close valves to make corrections. It wasn't until the late 1930s that controllers were capable of calculating this correction in response to external changes. Some common types of control processes include feed-forward control, feedback control, open-loop control, and adaptive control. And that's what control processes are.